All right. So welcome to our next class. And this class, we are going to focus on the edit window. So this is the edit window, and like we said, I have some tracks here so we can use to work. The first thing I'm going to mention is here. This is our zoomer tool. This is our zoomer tool. We can select here, but I prefer to use here you can zoom in or out horizontally and vertically to zoom in or out. Okay, and after that we can look at this. If we select this grabber tool, if we select this grabber tool, we can move our audio. We can move the way we want. We can also select the selector tool. Here, this is so we can select at any point where we need. So if we right click at any point, we will have options here to cut, either to cut or separate or delete fields or whatever. Also, if we come here, we can select the trim tool, where we can use to trim our audio. Okay, look at this. Yes, but you can, if we go up here and we click this, it will select all three together. It will select the three together. So it means once we come to our track, if we come up here, it turns to a selector tool. We come down, it becomes a grabber tool. We come to the edge, it becomes a trim tool. Okay, it becomes a trimmer tool. So that's how I prefer to keep it. If you double click on this track, we can rename it. We can rename the track. Okay, so let's call this a background music. Sorry, yes, background music. Okay, yeah, we call that background music. So also still on the edit window, if we come here, there's a panel here where we have a list of this is a list of our tracks. So each one, if we select, look at it here. Okay, so we select this is this one now. So we also have the groups here, so we can close it or open it. Okay, if we come to this other side, we can also, there's another panel here where all our audio clips are. Okay, and one more thing, we can select at any point. Let's close this. Okay, so this is where you can open or close this other panel. So that is a basic knowledge of working on the edit window. We can do, okay, another thing, we can do fades here. Let's see where we can add a fade to our audio. Look at this here. We can fade in here. Sorry, fade out. This is a fade out. This here was a fade in. Okay, we can also cut, like I said, or drag out or in. We can, if we right click at any point, we can come here, click gain, so we can see hide clip gain line, that line that was here. So we can show the clip gain line here, so we can increase our gain level. Okay, all right. So in our next class, we will check on the mix window. We focus on the mix window.